if you're looking to optimize your JBL equalizer settings for better sound quality. There are a few recommended adjustments that can help enhance your listening experience. Many users suggest tweaking specific frequency bands to achieve a balanced sound with clearer highs, deeper bass, and well-defined mids. Here's one suggested EQ setup that works well for a variety of music styles. 31 Hz, plus 5 dB. 62 Hz, plus 6 dB. And so on. You can pause video. This configuration aims to boost the low end for a richer bass response while enhancing clarity in the higher frequencies. For an alternative setup, some users suggest the following adjustments: 31 Hz, plus 6 dB, 62 Hz, plus 7 dB, 125 Hz, plus 3 dB. Also pause video to copy settings. This version slightly reduces mid-range frequencies while boosting the bass and treble for a more dynamic and immersive sound. Since sound preferences vary from person to person, these settings could be a good starting point, but they may need some fine-tuning depending on individual taste, music genre, or device.